Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. I'm Ahmad Zaidan Hafiz. I'm from System Information 2C, and today I'm going to present. Uh, I'm going to present paper English presentation. Presentation. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. My name is Ahmad Zaidan Hafiz. I'm from System Information 2C, and today I'm going to give a presentation paper English to present parallel structure, comparative degree in adjective, and adverb by writing expression. I hope the presentation will give you a clear understanding of the subject and spark some valuable insight. So let's get started. In objective of study, one is to define and explain indirect question and parallel structure, comparative degree in adjective and abstract. Two, understand the application of comparative degree in indirect question. Three is understand about the difference between comparative adjective and adverb and can apply to daily activities. And the definition of parallel structure is means using the same pattern of word to show that two or more ideas have the same level of importance. It makes your sentence clearer, more balanced, and easier to understand. Example 1. She likes dancing, singing, and traveling. All words are in the same ing form. Example 2, not parallel. She like dancing to sing and travel. The mixes ing to plus verb and best verb not parallel. Nah, in degrees of comparison, positive, comparative, and superlative. In English grammar, adjective and adverb can be used is in different degrees of comparison to show the level of or intensity of a quality. These degrees are positive degrees, comparative degree, and the last is superlative degree. Each degree has a specific purpose and structure depending on whether you are describing on one thing comparing two things and comparing more than two things. In first one is positive degree. The positive degree is used when no comparison is being made. It simply describes a quality of a person, place, or thing. However, when used with the word as, it can be used to express equality between two things. In the structure of positive degree is one as plus adjective plus as, and two as plus adverb plus as. Example one. She is as tall as her brother. Is means shows equal height adjective. Yeah. For secondly, he runs as fast as a cheetah. Shows equal speed adverb. And in the secondly of degrees of comparison is comparative degree. The comparative degree is used to compare how two different people, place, or things. It shows a higher or lower level of equality in one compared to another. There are three main forms of the comparative structure depending on the word. Structure, first one is adjective plus plus then for short, one syllable adjective. Example, this book is thicker than that one. And secondly, structure is more plus adjective or adverb plus then. Example is he works more efficiently than his college. And third is structure. First is less plus plus adjective or adverb plus then. Example, this movie is less exciting than the last one. And examples with irregular form. This laptop is better than my old one. And the last one is in degrees of comparison is superlative degree. The superlative degree is used to compare there are more items or people. It shows that something has the highest or lowest level of equality among a group. Structure is the plus adjective plus us plus in of or of. Example, she is the fastest runner in the team. Secondly, structure is the most plus adjective or verb plus in or of. Example is he is the most intelligent student in the class. And third, the last plus adjective or verb plus in plus of. Plus in or of. Example is this is the least useful tool in the box. And the last structure is he is the best player in the team. Example with the regular form. Nah, next one is rule of parallel structure. Rule of parallel structure, when using two or more adjective or adverb in a comparison, all of them must follow the same pattern. Either all using more, all, or all using er, it is correct. And this laptop is more powerful, more durable, and more stylish. In the example of correct, adjective use more plus adjective. That is a parallel. In example incorrect, this laptop is more powerful, durable, and has style. More powerful, comparative, durable, positive, hostile, purpose is not parallel because different grammatical form are mixed. Do not mix ir or s with more or most. There are two ways to form comparison. Add add or is for short adjectives, usually one syllable. Taller, tallest, faster, fastest. Use more or most for longer adjective, usually two plus syllable. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Reliable, more reliable, most reliable. Incorrect example, he is more taller than me. More and taller do some job, so it's redundant. Incorrect example is he is taller than me. Use just one comparative form. And next is exception and emphasis in degrees of comparison. In English, when using the comparative form of adjective or adverb such as better, more beautiful, faster, we often add certain words to emphasize or soften the comparison. That's what help express to the intensity or degree of difference between two things. Common common intensifier like much, far, and a lot are used to show a strong difference, while softer expression like a little, a bit, or slightly are used to show a small difference. That's what always come before the comparative form. Here are some example of how they are used. Strong emphasis. One is this one is much better than the previous one. Secondly is she is far more experienced than her college. And last one is this exam was a lot easier than the last one. Male a sort or soft emphasis. The instruction were a little clearer than before. And the last one is he runs a bit faster than me. Next is a double comparison, cause and effect. Another important structure in comparison is the double comparative, which is used to express a cause and effect relationship or proportional change. This structure begins with the more or the less and is followed by another phrase that continues the comparison. It shows that as one thing increase or decrease, Another thing, chance is response. This is commonly used in both spoken and written English to show logic or progress. Example of the double comparison. One is the more you practice, the better you get. Practicing more leads to improvement. Secondly, is the earlier you sleep, the healthier you feel. Sleeping early improve health. The next is the less you complain, the more you appreciate life. Less complaining leads to more appreciation. The next is target language in parallel structure. Verbal and nominal sentence in comparative degree. Definition of verbal sentence. Use action verbs to compare how something is done and use comparative adverb. Definition of nominal sentence. Use linking verbs is or are to compare qualities and use comparative adjective. Characteristic verbal sentence always contain an action verb. Focus on how something is done, making them suitable for comparative adverbs. And the last one is after answer how question in comparative context. Characteristic nominal sentence. The first is use linking verbs is, are, we, was, were to connect the subject with its quality. Next is the emphasize what or how much subject is, making them perfect for comparative degree, adjective. And the last one is typically used to evaluate or describe objects, people, or ideas. Types and structure, verbal and nominal sentence. Verbal sentence, subject plus verb plus comparative adverb plus then plus object. Example, he drives more carefully than his brother. Nominal sentence is subject plus linking verb plus comparative adjective plus that plus none. Example is, this laptop is more powerful than the old one. And the last is target language example. The new software updates more quickly than the old version. This one is cheaper than the other one. He communicates more professionally than his coworker. Her ID is more innovative than theirs. The next is reading text. Artificial intelligence or AI has transformed business operation, making them faster, more accurate, and more efficient than ever before. To illustrate this in transformation, many believe that AI systems are more faster and more accurate than manual process. Many companies now implement AI solutions more efficiently and more securely to optimize productivity. In order to stay competitive, business must adapt to this change more strategically, more responsibly, and it has effectiveness. AI-powered system can process data more quickly and more accurately than traditional methods, providing business with better insight and more precise prediction. Reflecting in this advancement, it is often stated that this AI tool is more accurate, efficient, and more scalable than the previous one. As AI technology continues to evolve, it offers smarter and more scalable solutions for various industries. Consequently, some experts suggest that AI is expected to perform faster, more accurate, and smarter as it continues to evolve. Many organizations question whether AI can truly replace human decision making or simply act as a super system. Others wonder how AI can be implemented to more